My dear friends, welcome to ArtMagic.
Welcome, young artists. Today, let's learn how to draw a delightful cup of hot chocolate, complete with scrumptious cherries on top and charmingly decorated with vibrant tree leaves. Grab your pencils and let's get creative. Start by drawing an oval shape for the cup. Add a curved line above the oval to create the rim of the cup. Then, draw a slightly curved line below the oval to form the base of the cup. Inside the cup, draw a wavy line to represent the hot chocolate. Make it look steamy by adding a few curved lines rising above the liquid. Above the cup, draw 2 stars and 1 straw. Add small curves on top of each cherry to show their stems. Around the cup, draw a few simple leaf shapes. Make them different sizes and add veins inside each leaf to give them a natural look. You can also draw some leaves falling onto the cup for a playful touch. Add details like lines on the cup for texture and small details on the cherries. Color the hot chocolate a rich brown, the cherries a vibrant red, and the leaves in various shades of green and autumn colors. Once your drawing done, then let's start coloring. When coloring the cup of hot chocolate, start with a base color like a deep brown. Add lighter shades or highlights around the edges to create depth and make the liquid look more realistic. To make the cherries more lifelike, start with a darker shade of red around the edges and gradually transition to a lighter shade toward the center. Leave a small area white to create a highlight. Colored pencils allow for precise coloring and layering, while markers offer vibrant colors. Experiment with both to find which works best for your style. Great job, young artists! You've created a fantastic cup of hot chocolate adorned with cherries and lovely tree leaves. Keep practicing, and remember, There's no limit to your imagination. There are no strict rules in art. Have fun experimenting with colors and techniques to make your drawing uniquely yours. Please share your home paintings, drawings, and coloring with me on my Facebook page, ArtMagic Drawings. Visit our page where you'll find numerous drawings available for printing and coloring. Wish you Merry Christmas. Enjoy your time with your all friends and family.
By the way, don't mind clicking a tiny button, you know, the one marked subscribe. Yeah, I know it doesn't make a big difference to you, but to our team, it does.